Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler. Today we're going to take a look at something a little bit different. This is a 1978 Dodge D150 Adventurer Little Red Express. As much as a Hot Wheels as you think this thing looks like, this is exactly how Dodge built and delivered this pickup truck in 1978. Gold graphics, the big sticker on the door, the exhaust stacks coming out behind the cab. Totally ridiculous. We have folks all the time coming here in the showroom, they're like, what is this crazy thing? And a lot of people find it hard to believe this is how they did them. 70s was a great time. This particular example is one of the 1288 built in 1978, which was the first model year of the Little Red Express. This one has been a frame-off restoration. The bodywork is in very, very good shape. It was well done. The paint is in excellent condition. It's got a nice sheen and shine to it. And you can see on the bed sides and in the bed itself has oak wood trim, stainless steel slats separating the oak. Even coming back here at the tailgate. Even the chrome wheels on this is how it came. These are not aftermarket wheels. These are Chrysler wheels. Chrome side steps there. All right, so this is what made this truck so special. Yes, it was outrageous looking, but the big deal with this truck is that due to certain regulations within the laws, this particular truck, because of its weight, was able to use basically a police interceptor V8, 360 cubic inches, rated at 225 horsepower. And these, even the height of the oil crisis, were exempt from extensive emissions testing and have no catalytic converters. Helps it breathe, make good power. You can see it has the chrome dual snorkel air cleaner lid with the hoses running down the front valance. Chrome valve covers, air conditioning, power steering. It's very, very well kept underneath the hood. It looks to be the original wiring, but it's in very, very good condition. Look at that. It's not dried up, it's not chewed up. Someone hasn't hacked into it, putting accessories on. Very, very well kept. The engine runs great. I had the honor of taking this truck out, driving a little bit, and it drives like a pickup truck, but also kind of drives like an old 1960s, early 70s muscle car, big body on a frame. Sounds great through the stacks. The interior has been completely redone. Nice bench seat. No stress cracks or any damage on the material that I could find. All your seat belts are there. New black carpet. Look at this dash pad. These things notoriously crack from the sun. This one appears to be in great shape. Look at that. Door panels are in nice good shape, not tore up, not sun faded. You can see that the armrests don't have big stress marks from people's elbows leaning on there. And there are some aftermarket Pioneer speakers. Let's venture over to the other side. You see the bodywork is nice and straight. Door gaps are nothing to write home about, but they weren't that great when this thing was new. But they are consistent and look pretty good. Here on the driver's side, same deal as the other side. Nice clean paintwork on the interior. No noticeable stress cracks on the armrest or discoloration on the panel. Here in the cluster, you have an altimeter, fuel, temperature, oil pressure, speedometer to 100 miles per hour, AM/FM stereo. No tach, unfortunately, but being an automatic, you don't really need it. Nice solid doors. Now, this one doesn't have any noticeable rust that I could find, or if it was repaired, it was done very well. You can see all the spot welds underneath the paint, as well as stampings from the numbers on the doors. You see the bottom side of the doors are very, very clean. You know, somebody spent a lot of time doing all this. And it shows very well. I was able to find one major defect in the paint. Take a look right here. Right here on the edge of the hood, there is a chip. That could be fixed. It's not too bad. That's something we could take care of for you if you'd like. If you visit CherryChrysler.com, there's nearly 100 pictures of this truck available from just about any angle you could imagine, including underneath pictures. The underside of this truck is very, very clean. It's not as shiny as the top, but it's very clean. You can tell it's fresh paint. Someone took this truck apart when they restored it. Very, very well done. If you have any questions about this truck, feel free to reach out to us at CherryChrysler.com. Our staff are knowledgeable. They're happy to answer questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.